Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can sign into DocSign.com, into DocuSign.com. So yeah, let's start the video. First thing first, you want to open your search engine. I'm using Google Chrome right now, but you can use whichever search engine you want. Once you're in your search engine, what you want to search for is, you want to search for DocuSign. Once you search for DocuSign, what you want to go is click on where it says login over here, and it's going to take you to www.DocuSign.com's login page. Once you click on it, and once you're over here, you want to enter your email address. Once you enter your email address, click on continue. Once you enter your email address, basically enter your password over here. After entering your password, click on login, and if your email address and password matches, then you should be able to log in without any problem. But in a case if you're not able to log in, then basically your email or your password is incorrect, so make sure to double check that. But if you forget your password, basically what you can do is click on where it says forget password, and you should be able to reset your password. So hopefully that should have helped you guys on how you guys can log into a DocuSign account.